Good morning, guys! Hindi ko binasa yung buhok ko today because I will apply heat. And I'm preparing smoothie para sa akin at saka kay Dan. Dito na, ano siya, frozen strawberries, bananas, dalawang bananas, ice, milk, combination ng almond milk at saka yung regular milk namin kasi naubos na yung almond milk. And then spinach, and i-blend ko siya. And then I have my coffee right there. I'll have coffee now, and then later on sa work I'll have coffee as well. I bring yung sachet ko kasi yung coffee sa work hindi ko siya nagustuhan. Actually, hindi ko pa siya na-try yung sachet sa work. Pero nandun lang siya sa bag ko. Lagi ko siya nakakalimutan. Lagi kong iniinom yung nasa meron silang hot choco, which is good. Like, nilalagyan ko siya ng coffee. And magiging mocha siya. Masarap siya. But, mas prefer ko talaga na coffee in the morning. Pero, yeah. I'll just blend this. Ito na yung blender na gamit namin. Kasi nga, diba na sira yung isang, namin, blender to go. So, sobrang ingay nito. Actually, mas gusto ko na tong blender na to kasi mas mabilis. Tapos, isahan lang. Yung isa kasi, minsan, kinukuha pa namin siya, tapos sinishake. Ito, hindi na kailangan kasi mas, siya, mas, yung spinach. Meron isa na tira, hindi na blend, hindi na naglag. Okay. Balik kita doon. Blend natin yung spinach na yan. Spinach! Spinach! Kagabi nagluto ako ng tinola. Sa tinola yung baon ko today. Sarap-sarap ng tinola. Kagabi talaga parang sinasabi ko, wow, ang sarap ko magluto. Pero tinola, sarap. Dito siya, oh. Lagay ko na siya sa baonan. And magpe-prepare na lang ako ng rice. And yun, na-ready na yung baon ko. Malamig na siya eh. Pero nilagyan ko ng spinach instead of chili leaves. Kasi wala ko ng chili leaves, guys. Nag-text ako kay Roslyn kung saan niya binili yung chili leaves, yung pepper leaves, kaya lang sa Asian grocery malapit sa kanila, layo sa kanila. So yung ginagawa ko is tina-transfer ko lang siya dito, yung smoothie. Ito yung para sa smoothie ni Dan. Iba din yung para sa coffee niya. And then meron din akong akin. Kahapon masarap yung smoothie namin kasi siya, yung tropical yung ginamit ko. Oh my God. Come on. There you go. Dapat sa sink ko to ginagawa eh. Pasikat kasi ako sa inyo eh. I don't usually do it here. It's actually my first time doing it here. Dapat sa sink siya. Nagkalat na naman ang bata. Okay, and then the rest, iinumin ni Dan. Ngayon. Si Dan na yung nag-a-iron ng shirts niya. I'm still working on the schedule, guys. Hindi naman siya schedule kasi lagi na akong sobrang pagod na pagod ako. Hindi naman sobrang pagod na pagod. Pero gusto ko din na maaga ako natutulog kasi sobrang aga ako nagigising. Yung alarm ko 6, tapos pinasnooze ko siya ng 3 beses. So nagigising ako mga 6:30. Naliligo, ganun. So maaga siya. So gusto ko maaga ako matulog kasi ayoko pumunta ng trabaho na wala akong tulog. Ang liwanag ng kinabukasan ko ngayon Hindi lang ngayon, pero ngayon mas maliwanag. Oh, shiny ang aking future ngayon. Nag-apply kasi ako ng moisturizer. Okay, maya na ulit guys. Pagkatapos ko mag-makeup, at pagkatapos ko ayusin yung aking buhok, yung aking 5-head. Bye. I will do my outfit. I'll show them the outfit. I'm wearing this top that I got yesterday. Dumaan kami sa parade yesterday and we went to Dotti. Nakita ko to and sabi ko, I can wear that to work. So this is from Dotti. Ano siya? Nakalagay doon $19 and then pag-scan niya $13 na lang. And then my pants are from Danny Minogue. Shoes from Target. Bag from Kardashian Collection. And that's it for my outfit of the day. I'll go to the mall later kasi sabi ni Dan, medyo late niya daw ako masusundo. So, punta ako ng mall. Meron akong titingnan na dress as well. Babe, you ready? Okay. Ay, babe, I cannot leave my camera here. Because I'll be vlogging going to the mall.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I will try to vlog. hindi pa rin ako ganun ka like super komportable mag-vlog mag-isa. Kapag kasama ko si Dan, wala akong pakialam. Hi babe! You look good babe. Siya na yung nag-a-iron ng ano niya, shirt at saka pants. Sorry. Poor Danny boy. There's a car! Okay. This guy. Students! Go to school! Wala pa akong lipstick. Yung gagamitin ko mamaya is yung ano, Kami na naman. Yun lang yung nasa bag ko eh. Nag-fix plus ako today. I like it. Mas maganda talaga kapag merong Fix Plus or setting spray. Ginamit ko before Fix Plus yung Urban Decay. And maganda din siya yung all-nighter spray. Nabigay sa akin ni Nice. Thank you, Nice. Meron siyang channel, All Stuff Nice. Nasa US na siya. Nag-ano ko din guys. Nag-chew ako ng vitamin C. Ooh! We missed a turn again. Sorry, babe. Lagi namin namimiss yung turn kasi lagi niya iniisip papunta sa ano, work niya. Ay, papunta sa work ko. Meron kami shortcut na tinitake. This is your route going to work, right? Sorry! Hi guys! Nandito ako sa nakalimutan ko yung pangalan pero I'm trying on this dress. Maganda sana siya kaya lang hindi siya kakasya sa akin. This is size 8 and I'm size 6. Minsan nga yung 6 hindi nagkasya. Ito naman, super kasya siya. Wait, let me show you. Ito. But I'm not sure. Hindi ko masyadong... I think I need to wear it again and take a picture of myself and then show Dan and his family. It's alright, but... Yeah, I'm wearing it. Basta... It fits really nicely, but I'm just not sure if it's like, you know, too much. Hello! Tsaka ako na guys. Hindi ako nag-retouch at all today. And sama ko na si Danny Boy. Bumili ako niyan. Nubos ni Dan. Nung bumili ako niyan, meron ako nakilala si Wayner? Ang social na pangalan niya, I can't pronounce it. I'm so sorry. But I think that's her name. Wayner. And then, nung papunta din ako ng City Cross, kasi naghanap ako ng mga dress. Before ako nag-vlog kanina, before ko nakita sa inyo yung dress, someone reached out to me. So, I just wanna say thank you to Alan for reaching out. Salamat. And sa asawa mo, hello. Thank you for watching my videos. Salamat. And then, after ko ito binili, nagmamadali na ako. Kasi, susunduin na ako nitong lalaking ito. How's the pearl milk tea, babe? Oh, finish it all. I thought you don't like the bowls. Do you?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, actually.
Oh, okay. I remember you don't like it. I do like the pearls. Pearls better than bowls. I like the I like the pearls a lot. It smells so bad. Is it that truck? No. It smells a bit funky.
Yeah.
Maybe it's your AC. Did you run over something again?
No.
It's weird. Guys, katapos lang namin mag-film ng haul ni Dan, and look at this. Baliktad, but... Kat, thank you so much. As in, sobra. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ma-upload yung haul na yun, unboxing na yun, but... Yeah, thank you so much. Meron siyang vlog. I-leave ko yung link below and her Instagram as well. She did amazing. Like, Dad is so happy with the chocolates. yun lang naman yung ano niya. But, yeah, this is crazy. I've been wanting this, pero hindi ko siya mabili-bili because I cannot justify, like, spending a lot of money on something na hindi ko naman ginagamit all the time. So, yeah. This is so special. Salamat. Super thank you. Oh my gosh, I have it now. Like, you know, the feel. Babe, did you feel this? It's kind of like, it feels really nice, babe. And meron pa maraming makeup. Again, I'm not sure kung kailan ma-upload yung unboxing na yun, but yeah. Thank you, Kath. Thank you. I'm so happy. Thanks. Okay, magluluto na ako ng dinner, guys, kasi si Dan gutom na. Kawawa naman. Magluluto kami ng beef stir fry. I'm honestly not sure kung ano yung magiging kalalabasan nito. Si Dan nagluluto ng rice. Nakahubad na naman siya. So, I can't show him. Because that's rated X, right there.
It is X-rated.
It is X-rated. I am... Sinosotay ko na yung garlic at saka onion. What? The lid? Right. Ito yung mga vegetables na ilalagay ko sa stir fry. Merong carrots, capsicum, mushroom, cauliflower. No. What is that, babe? Broccoli. Binili actually ito ni Dan today. So, binili niya yung mushroom today, yung capsicum, at saka yung broccoli. And yung beef namin. Asan yung beef? Where did I put the beef? I know, it's right here. Beef. Matagal na to eh. Nilagay ko lang siya sa freezer. And ngayon ko lang siya lulutuin. And then, nag-brown din sa Dan ng sesame seeds. Looking good! That looks good, babe. Good job. Si Dan na nagluto. Good job, my love.
I need more sauce.
Yeah?
I think just need a bit more sauce. Trust me.
Okay. Yummer. Sabi ni Dan, masarap daw. Yummer said? Good. I think I will bring some tomorrow kasi meron pang natira. But maybe Dan will finish it. Are you gonna finish it?
No, I need more. That's
No?
not for tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Thank you. Konti lang yung kakainin ko kasi hindi pa ako ganun kagutom. And merong petos kanina na leftover pa namin nung pumunta kami ng Melbourne. Hindi pa naubos, so kakainin ko yun mamaya. Kinain siya ni Dan kanina, naghanap siya ni Dan ng makakain. Sabi niya, sarap nito ah. Sabi ko, I know, right? So after ko kumain, I will wash my face and then I will edit a video. I have on my lips yung Chi Chi na lipstick. I forgot the shade. Pero binigay sa akin ni Anne. Madam, salamat. Yeah. Excited na ako gamitin yung mga bagong lipstick. Bukas na binigay sa akin ni Catherine. Thank you so much, Catherine, again. Bukas gagamitin ko siguro yung Stila. I'm so excited. Anyway, kain muna ako. Kain tayo! Yay! Natapos ko i-iron yung 3 shirts na Dan. Siya nag-iron ng shirts niya, guys, for a week. And yeah, abutin lang hindi nagre-reklamo. Hindi naman nagre-reklamo sa Dan. Hindi rin siya nanguutos, which is great. Kaya lang gusto ko din na, like, you know, ako yung nag-iron ng shirts niya. Pero for the past week or so, sobrang naging hectic ng bonggang-bongga. So, wala talaga ako masyadong time. But now, na-iron ko na yung 3 shirts niya. Bukas yung isa. Meron siyang 2 shirts para next week, which is good. In-iron ko din yung isang shirt ko na matagal na dyan. Hindi ko pa nagamit at all. In case gamitin ko siya, ready na siya gamitin. I will go ahead and wash my face. Ready na yung pang lunch ko. Oh, bukas. Right here. Hello. Katapos ko lang mag-edit. And tinanggal ko na din yung mask ko. Yung mukha ko talaga maputi na kaysa sa neck ko. Dahil sa kakamask ko. Yung ginamit ko kanina yung honey. Nakalimutan ko yung brand. Pero, yeah, katapos ko lang mag-edit ng thumbnail ng haul ko. Ito yung thumbnail para sa Saturday. I'm not sure when are you guys watching this video. But, yeah, meron ng thumbnail yun. We will have busy weekend again. Like last weekend. So, I want to get like as much work done as possible. Yeah, I don't really consider YouTube as work. But, yeah. Nagluto si Dan ng egg para bukas. Gusto niya mag-wraps bukas. Tapos nakalimutan niya gamitin yung egg timer na binili namin sa Daiso. Excited pa naman ako gamitin yun. Nakalimutan ko din eh. Sabi niya magluluto ako ng eggs. Tapos hindi ko siya naalala. Ngayon ko lang siya naalala nung sinabi niya, remind me after a few minutes kasi maluluto na yung egg. Sabi ko, hala yung egg timer. Kakaloka. Bakit ayaw mag-read ng memory card? Come on. Don't be shitty right now. It's not even 10 yet. In 10 minutes, meron akong video. Yay! I have a video tonight. I have a video as well tomorrow. And I will close this vlog. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget to give good night. Bye. Good night, babe. Come on. Good night.